and today we're back with another Rental Boys vlog for y'all. In total, he has 5 deliveries to drop off, so without further ado, let's get right into the video.
For the viewers watching, I say, oh, I only have a truck and I can't do double throne chairs. I'll just stick to single. That's a lie. You can do double throne chairs. I just show you right here. Just put a blanket on the bottom, put a blanket on the lip of the bed, on the rail of the bed, lay it on its side, put one strap, don't put it too tight. It's not going nowhere. Do not stand it up. You're probably wondering, Eddie, I thought you said you don't do deliveries and stuff. I don't. So it so happened that my manager, the main dude that's running the whole show, went on vacation. He's having a great time. And after that, whole line of things happened. First, we let go of one of our human resource person. All right, we let them go. And then after that, one of our delivery drivers that's kind of been with us for quite some time, we had a kind of disagreement, so he went his own way. And then this is all within a week, by the way. Then after that, well, one delivery driver said his back was hurting, but he's still in the game. And then the other one just kind of magically disappeared. God works in mysterious ways. And it's funny because some of the guys that we used to work with, they reached out to us like, hey, would you please take me back? Because, you know, no places like y'all. I'm like, yeah, no, I got you. So, yeah, they're here working. And the good thing is I don't have to train them because they already know the system. So right now I'm heading to do a couple 10 deliveries. And then after that, wrap up and go home.
So for the first stop, it was in the Garland area.
I'm coming in. Oh, it's gonna be tight, baby.
This order consisted of a 20 by 20 frame tent with 3 sidewalls.
All right, fun part.
5 white premium chairs, 5 8-feet tables, some string lights, 1 cooler fan, and lastly, a white double throne chair. As you can see, the videographer isn't scared of hard work. I was very happy to step in and help Eddie as we put this tent together.
Shut up, man. I'm old.
She was 2016.
I don't care, man. It's about that life, man.
So how you feeling out for the first drop off?
First one, it was nice. Wish it went a little bit more slower so I can go home already. Not just like, no, it was cool. It's a 10 job, 20 by 20 sidewalls, then one of the lights too. It's pretty much it. And thankfully you were here. We're gonna have a hard time with that double throne chair, but I can still get it. It's a pain, but other than that, it's all downhill from here. And then once we're done with it, I think got like 3 more to do. And after that, I'm gonna go start dropping some 40 by 40s.
So for the second delivery, this one was in the Dallas area, and this order consisted of 4 cocktail tables, 4 8-foot tables, and then 40 of our premium brown chairs. For the third delivery, it was also in the Dallas area, and this order consisted of 40 brown premium chairs and 6 round tables. So for the fourth drop-off, we made our way over to University Park. This customer asked for 16 brown chairs and 2 tables and 2 blush rose gold table linens.
Come here. Come on. Don't run off. Come here.
Once we finished that order, it was time for our 5th and final order. This one was in the Dallas area.
I need some brown chairs, bro.
This order consisted of 40 foldable white chairs, 4 round tables, and 4 round table linens. Overall, all these drop-offs were pretty simple. Eddie got them done in a timely manner. Probably one of the most difficult things was backing in the trailer into some of these parking lots. The street was kind of narrow, but that's all we have for this video.
Now we headed back to the
done.
massage chair.
Massage chair time, baby.
Yeah.
You're done. We're wrapping up, baby.
If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, drop a comment below, and if you want to see more content like this, click the playlist right here.